If your mindset is telling you that Hamster Kombat is going to pay you based on the numbers of coin you are seeing on your screen right there, believe me guys, you are damn far from reality. Well, in this video, I have special packs. I have a lot to tell you in this video in case you are tapping or you are mining Hamster Kombat. So I have so many stuff. I have a lot of packages for you right here to analyze to your understanding, so that as you are tapping, you will apply all this so that you don't tap in vain. So if you are watching this video, I will advise you stay calm and make sure you watch this video to the end, because I am going to tell you a lot of things you need to do while tapping your Hamster Kombat so that you don't work in vain. And meanwhile, if you are watching my video for the first time, my name is Tari, and here I teach people how to make money online. I also teach people how to grow their social media handles organically. So if you're watching my video for the first time and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button, and please turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a new video like this, you will be notified. So guys, let's dive in today's video. Alright, so let's talk about today's video. Like you can see on my screen right here, my profit per hour is 256.95k worth of hamster coins. Now there is a post Hamster Kombat made on their announcement channel. I don't know if you saw that post, so I'm going to paste it on this somewhere on the screen here so that you can also read this, so that you don't do this in vain, you don't tap in vain. They emphasize that you should invest wisely. So what does that supposed to mean? That is what I have for you today. I will discuss everything step by step, all you need to know why tapping Hamster Kombat. And also, once Hamster Kombat is being launched, you will also be one of those that will partake. Now this is what we are going to be focusing today. If you take a look at this place, mine. Now Hamster Kombat emphasize that you should buy all these cards here. You can see all these cards. Like from mine, you can see here fans token, I have upgraded my levels to 13, and staking, I have upgraded my staking to level 15. You can see my BTC pairs here, I have upgraded to level 8, and the rest of them here, which you can see all of them here. And if you observe, some of these cards are still locked. Why are they still locked? I am going to talk about that later. You can also see all these cards. I've purchased some of these cards. Now let me let you understand one thing here. This is what I'm going to talk about first. The importance of this card you are seeing here. You can see here PRO and team. You can see here legal. You can see here special. Now let's talk about this card and the more reason why you need to pay attention to this card. Instead of you to keep tapping, instead of you to keep doing all this tapping and tapping, then at the end of the day you will not earn anything. Now let's focus on this. Now if you observe this card, if you observe this card here, they are of different levels. Yes, different levels, right? You can see this DAO card right here. They are asking me to invite 4 friends before I can unlock this card. But why really so? Have you asked yourself, why do I need to invite people before I can unlock this particular card? Meanwhile, some of the cards here, for example, I can use this. I can use which of the card here? I can use this BTC pairs as example. If you observe this card right from day one, this card wasn't locked. This card wasn't locked. Now why is it that some of the card you will need to invite someone before you can be able to unlock that particular card? Take note of that. I'm going to talk about that later. Then level 2, if you observe here, there are some of the card here which you will need to unlock another card before you can unlock this card. Let's say for example margin trading X75. Now you can see under they are asking you to take short squeeze. You can see that. Now for you to unlock this card, you will need to take your short squeeze to level 10 before you can be able to unlock margin trading X75. Now why is this so? This simply means that this card have superior over the other card. Yes, this particular card, the card was automatically unlocked. Then this one, we have to invite a specific amount of friends before I can be able to unlock the card. Then why the other card, I will need to unlock, or I will need to take another card to a particular level in order to unlock the card. Let's say for example, you can also see this on margin trading X1 and X100. I will need to also I will need to level up I will need to upgrade my short squeeze to level 3 before I can unlock this card. Now these are the things you need to take note of. I will discuss them before the end of this video. All right, now let's move over to the next card, which I also have on my list here to talk about. The card is no other card than specials. You can see on your screen here, specials. Now I will click on specials. If you observe these specials, you will see something like my cards, new cards, and missed opportunities. Now, talking of your cards, these are the cards I've bought. These are the cards I've bought already. And why new cards are some of the cards which are yet to be unlocked. You can see this on short squeeze. I have not gotten it yet, which I know I'm going to buy them. So you can see all this card. Why this one? You can see this on missed opportunities. Let's say for example, these are the cards okay, let me say maybe we didn't know anything about this card. Yes, let me use that word. We didn't know anything about card. Like you can see your partner football club is a winner. That card, I think it has a lot of potential. You can also see this card, AD contract with a football club, level 1. So all these cards are the cards we missed, and who knows how potential these cards are. But unfortunately, we missed the card. Let me say I missed the card because I didn't know anything about this card. So now let's go back to this. Now if you observe this card right here, you will see that they are giving you a specific time, right? They are giving you a specific time. Let me use this. You can also see this one. I bought this one. This should be a few minutes ago. Now why are they really giving you time? That is something you need to take note of. That simply means there is something special about this particular card, because if not, they would have just given you the opportunity to go ahead and buy as many as you want, or anytime, any day you feel like buying. But this particular card, you will have to wait for some minutes or some hours before you can continue buying the card. I don't know if I am making a point, or I don't know if you are communicating. So these are the cards you don't need to joke with. You can also see this one. I bought this one a few minutes ago, and it's taking almost, okay, you can see this particular card. I can only buy this card again in the next 1 hour. Why is it so? That is another card to take note of. Another card I have to talk about here are this card with high purchase rates, but has lesser profits. I don't know if you understand what I mean by that. If you see this card, let me use this as example. Now take a look at this special hamster conference. You will see that if I buy this card, I'm going to spend 1.66 million worth of coins. That is what I'm going to spend to get this particular card. And how much am I going to be earning per hour from this particular coin? It's only about 20.29k worth of coins. Why is it so? Now take a look at this one. Let me show you this. Now if you take a look at this Web3 Academy launch, you will see that I have gotten mine to level 8. Now to enter the next level, I will need to buy this coin with 94.12k worth of coins. And how much am I going to be earning? 15 points. Now let's do the calculation. If I'm to check, now take a look at this particular, now check this. This one, how much am I going to earn? Only about 20.29k with how much? 1.66 million worth of coins. Why this one is just 90, why this one is just 94.12k. Come on, there is something we need to reason here. I don't know if you understand what I mean by that. There is something we need to understand here, that this card has authority over this particular one. Yes. So when buying these cards, these are the things you need to consider when you check it, when you take a look at this one. So ask yourself, why is this one this cheap and I am earning much per hour? Why this one I am earning less, then spend more to get this card, right? Another card here to take note of is something like Lambo for a Hamster CEO. Now if you check this card now automatically belongs to me. How did I do that? I bought this card to a certain level, and at the end of the day I was given this card, like, right? I own this card now, which simply means I can no longer buy anything here. The card now belongs to me. So back to my main points. This is the main reason why I decided to do this video. Everything I have said, I only wanted to let you know the differences between these cards, right? And the more reason why you need to pay attention to each of these cards, why you need to buy these cards. That is why I am doing this video. Now if you read what if you read what these people pasted on their announcement channel, they say something like it's not really all about tapping. You can see it on your screen there. You can see it there. Now there's one thing I understand about this stuff, that Hamster may not really pay you based on this coin on your screen. Rather, they are paying more attention to this profit per hour. Yes, because all these cards are being sponsored. I don't know if you understand that. This card you are buying, some people are the ones sending this card to this platform so that you can purchase it in order to stand a chance to increase your profit per hour. So just grab this. Just know this, that Hamster Kombat is not like any other airdrop like Tap Swap and the rest of them. This is something totally different. So in anything you do, to take this video to the end, make sure you are buying all this card. Don't just tap every day. You come and start tapping, then at the end of the day you unlock your daily 5 million combo, and seeing these numbers of coin on your screen, your mind will be telling you that you are already a millionaire. No. Pay more attention to these cards. Make sure you buy all these cards. Keep buying all these cards. Keep buying them. Buy this card as many as you could. Like after this video, let me say on my next video, you will see that my profit per hour will never remain the same, because I will make sure I take it to at least 500k. If there is anything you don't understand about this video, go ahead and drop it on the comment section, and I will do a separate video for that. Yes, I'm going to do a separate video to clarify you. So make sure you are buying all this card. Don't just stock your coins here. The main reason why you are being given the opportunity to tap this and increase your earning is for you to use this to level up your profit per hour. And that is also the reason why they are giving you this opportunity to gain this 5 million daily combo, right? So make sure you invest wisely. Invest wisely. Thank you for taking out your time to watch this video, and I believe you have learned something from this video. If you found this video valuable, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel for more updates like this, and make sure you share this video with your friends, because this video, a lot of people out there needs to watch this. Give this video a thumbs up, and also drop your comments under the comment section. If there's anything you want me to do video about, drop it on the comment section and I will do it. So thank you for being part of this community. Thank you for watching my video, and see you on my next video.